Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe Photoshop CC 2024. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a really fast and easy technique to animate texture backgrounds. And all you need is one texture file of your choice. So my Photoshop document is 1920 by 1080 pixels, 72 ppi. I don't need this black background layer, so I'm just going to select it, tap the delete key, I'll press Command or Ctrl T for free transform, and then I'm just going to scale it up from the center. You can see the bounding box is quite a bit bigger than the canvas size. This is going to give me plenty of room to rotate the texture, move it around, without showing any of the transparent background. The next thing I'll do is just duplicate this layer the number of times that I want frames for my animation. I'm just going to duplicate it so I have 6 layers or 6 frames. So I'll select the bottom graph paper layer and I'll press Command or Ctrl J to duplicate. So Command J, Command J, Command or Ctrl J, Command or Ctrl J. And I can rename these by just selecting and double clicking just so we can keep things nice and orderly. And now all you need to do is just randomly move all of the layers around so they're all different from each other. That is what's going to create the animation. So I'm just going to toggle off the visibility and just do them one by one. You can keep number 1 the same. I'll toggle on number 2. I'll press Command or Ctrl T. That's going to bring up the free transform. And the main thing you want to do is just make sure that you're not seeing any of the transparent background. If you hover your cursor to the outside, you'll see you get that rotation possibility. Then click the check mark or press Command or Ctrl Enter when you're done moving it. I'll uncheck the visibility, go to the next layer, Command or Ctrl T, move it around, move it up. The more random, the better the animation. Go to number 4, and this should take no time at all. You can move it to the left, to the right, up, down, rotate it, and just repeat this process for every layer. So all of the layers are now in random position. So now we're going to open up the timeline panel and create the animation. So go to the window menu at the top and select timeline. Click on the drop down and make sure that Create Frame Animation is selected and click on the button Create Frame Animation. Go to the hamburger menu or the 3 horizontal lines in the top right of the timeline, click and choose Make Frames from Layers. And now all 6 layers are frames on the timeline. And if you tap the spacebar or press the play icon, you will see that with very little effort, you now have an animation that started with just one texture file. Pretty cool. Now it might be moving a little bit too fast for you. So all we need to do is select all the frames. So I'll click on frame number 1. I'll press the Shift key so all 6 frames are now selected. I'll click on the little drop down below any of the frames, it doesn't matter which one, and now you can select the delay that you want between each frame. I'll try 0.2, click the play icon again. Now you see it's a little bit slower and kind of has that stop motion feel. I like that. And now I will show you how you can export or save your animation, first as an animated GIF and then as a video. To save as an animated GIF, go up to the top menu, click on File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. I'll click on this drop down where it says PNG 24 and change it to GIF. I'll go to the very bottom where it says Animation and make sure that Looping Options says Forever. Then I'm going to click on Save. I'll give it a name, click Save. I'm just going to drag it right onto Google Chrome web browser to test it out, and now I have an animated GIF that will loop forever. And you can control how many seconds your video is by simply duplicating the frames. So I'll select all the frames, I'll press Option on the Mac, Alt on Windows, and drag to the right. Now I just duplicated the first 6 frames. I'll select all 12, now I'll duplicate those. So now I have 24 frames, which is 1 second on a 24 frames per second animation. You just go to the File menu at the top, go to Export, Render Video, give your video a name, choose where you want to save it on your hard drive. I'll keep the format at H.264, 1920 by 1080 pixels, 24 frames per second, render. And there's my MP4 video file along with my animated GIF. That is how to animate a texture in Adobe Photoshop CC 2024. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.